Okay, now I'll show you how to subtract. See, this is very clearly given here. See this table. The number is 53574. We have to subtract 31787. So we have to subtract 31787 from this 53574. And we have to subtract 31,787 from 53,574. In the workbook he has explained. Let us see that first and then again we'll do ourselves. Now look here. See, here it is 4. The ones digit is 4 and the tens digit is 7. Then hundreds 5, thousands 3 and 10,000 is 5. Now from 4 we have to subtract 7. That is not possible. Therefore you take one lending from this, the adjacent digit means from 6. So when 1 comes here, this 4 will become 14. So from 14 7 is 7. Similarly from here after 1 going here it will become 5. From 5 we have to subtract how much? 8 we have to subtract. Okay, so that is also not possible. So therefore again we have to bring 1 from the hundreds place. So this again same. Now you can just see this again it becomes 16. From 16 it is 8. Now this I will explain here again by doing. See, this is 4. Now take 1 from here. 1 we are taking means it is 10. See, this is, these two you think this is units and this is tens. In this 74 this is units place. Means ones place. The second will be tens place. Next again for these two 57. Again 7 is ones place and 5 is tens place, like that. This is units and this is tens. Now when I take 1 here, 10 comes. 10 and 4 14. So therefore this is 14. Again because 7 gone here from here, so 6 will become 6 and 8 here. This is 8 and this is 6, not possible. So again take 1 from here, so it becomes 16. From 16 we subtract 8 because from here 1 we have taken, it becomes 4. Again take 1 from here, this becomes 14. From 14 you subtract 7 because here 3 1 we have taken, 2 will remain. From this 5 you take 1, so this will become 12. Right, from 12 you have to, no, not necessary, because in this 2 we have to subtract only 1, no? So therefore here we can stop here. Just 2 comes here. From this 2 we have to take 1. So here it's 5 only, no change. That means we are taking 1 carry forward from 3. 1 we are taking to 4, and again from this 5 we are taking 1, and from 7 1 we are taking. So now from 14 we have to subtract how much? 7. So 7 will remain. From 16 you have to subtract 8. 8 will remain. From 14 again you have to subtract 7. 7. From 2 1. From 5 3 2. So this will be the answer. Now look here. What is the answer? Is it written here? 1787. Here how much we got? Yes, 21787, correct. 2178. This is the right answer. Okay, now again there is one more. 49543. We have to subtract 26874. Same thing he has done here also. 4 32,564 23 5 56. See, this 4 will become how much? 14. 6 if remove, 8 will come. Here 5 will remain. From 5, because from 6 whenever I taken, I will remain 5. From 5 you take 5, 0. From 5 you take 3, 2. From 2 you take 0. From 3 nothing is subtracted, so 3 will remain. So therefore 30208 is the right choice. Now we have to do this following. Okay. Eight six zero four three eight. And we have to subtract how much? 764859. 764859. This is to be subtracted. Same rule will follow. Now see 8, this will become how much? 18. This will become how much? 2. From 18 subtract 9, so 9 will remain. This 3 becomes 2, therefore from 3 we cannot subtract 5, therefore from 4 you take 1, this will become how much? 12. From 12 5 if you subtract, how much you are going to get? 7. So here 5 will remain how much? 3. So here 0 is there, and from 3 we have to subtract 8, that is not possible. From 0 we have to carry forward 1. 1 you have to lend, that is also not possible. Therefore what is possible? We have to take 1 from 6. Therefore when I take 1 from 6, this 0 will become how much? 10, because 10 plus 0, 10 only. Or we can just say that you just put 1 adjacent to 0, that is 10. So this is 10. Now after this is 10, from here you take 1. So that if you take 1, that will become how much? 13. From 13 you have to subtract how much? 8. So this will become 5. Now here, because from 10 1 we have taken, the remaining will be how much? Only 9. How much will be here? So 9. From 9 we have to subtract how much? 4. Therefore it is 5. So here from 6 we have taken 1, no. Therefore this will become how much? 5. From 5 you take, from this 5 will left over, from 5 you take 6, that is not possible. Therefore you take 1 from this 8, so this will become 15. From 15 you take 6, that is how much? 9. From this 8, 1 gone, so only 7 is left. 7 minus 7, 0. So therefore 0955579 is the right answer. Hope one I have done, remaining all you can do, that is your homework. Okay, we'll stop here. You have seen now how this is got, how this is got. Again one more time I will explain. One problem, the first problem I have done, this one. Now look here, this is how we explained 53574 31737 how to do. Just you have to carry 1 from here, because 1 I have taken, this 4 will become how much? 14. 4 becomes 14. This 7, 1 gone means 7 will be 6 only. From 6, 8 is not possible. Therefore, again 1 we are carrying from here, from the 5 adjacent one. So it is 16 it becomes. From 16, 8 if you do is 8 will remain here. Okay. Again here from 5, 1 we have taken now, 4 will remain. From 4, 7 we cannot do. Therefore, again 1 you take. So this will become 14. 14 from 7 you deduct, 7 will remain. Then here left over is, after from 3, 1 gone, no, only 2 will remain. From 2, 1 we can do. Easily we can subtract. So no need to lend from the adjacent one. So therefore it is from 2 minus 1, 1. From 5, 3 we have to subtract. 5 minus 3, 2. So this will be the 21787 is the, this is the way of doing subtraction. Okay, we'll stop here.